Hi everybody, it's Dr. O. Dr. Mason and I wanted to give you a bit of a tour on how our Blackboard shell works. Every professor's a little bit different in how they set them up, so you'll understand how it's set up for this course. First off, I want to assure you that even though this is a technology course, we are not expecting you to be able to run robots. We're not expecting you to be able to code. It's not that kind of technology. Our goal is to get you comfortable using technology that will help you teach better, will help your students learn better, and will help you meet the ISTE standards both for teachers and students in your course. All right, so here is the page for when you click on the name of the course. The first thing on here is for the anthology portfolio. This is really important. It's a state requirement for your certification as a teacher. Please be sure to read this and follow the instructions before we do anything else. Okay? Very important. You'll be putting information in there throughout the semester. Next, we have a course information section. And I'm going to go through all of this with you so that you understand where we're coming from. And hopefully you'll feel a little more comfortable with the course. So there are a couple of things like course information in there, contact information and such, but the first really important thing is the syllabus. Syllabus is under syllabus. In addition to the syllabus, you have the spring academic calendar, which should help you decide if it's spring break or if it's not. And we'll try to help you out with that too. All right. There's a video on there, one of those slots, that says expectations. And the expectations video is what we're expecting of you and what you can expect of us. So make sure you listen to that. This is the way our every week is going to be set up. It's going to be, each week is going to have a tasks list, and it's going to have the things that you need to do underneath it. So this is the task list for week 1. Please read the entire syllabus. We just saw that above. And you complete the syllabus review activity, which is below. I'll show that to you in a moment. You're going to complete the introductions activity, again, below, and I'll show that to you. Read the textbook, Chapter 1. Watch the Chapter 1 video. Sign up for Remind. And this is just another nudge to tell you to sign up for Anthology. See the first notice at the very top. So the syllabus review. You're going to read the entire syllabus for the course. When you complete the activity, you're going to click on where it says Write Submission, write your full name that you've read and understood the syllabus. Next up, course intros. The course intros, we're looking for a 30 to 90 second video introducing yourself. You can add info about your family, where you're from, what you like to do in your spare time. Since you're all pre-service teachers, you could talk about what your major is, what you hope to teach, what level you want to teach, anything that's going to help us get more familiar with you. It's a lot easier to do discussion forums and to communicate with people who you have some idea who they are. So be sure to start with your name. We do need to see your face on the video. There's a link there that'll take you out to where you're going to do this. The app is called Padlet. And right underneath there, there's a very short video that is going to tell you exactly how to navigate through that and get this task done. Next up is Remind. Remind is not required, but it's highly recommended. If there's an emergency, we're going to use both the course announcements and this third-party app, Remind, to let you know. Remind is the fastest way to reach us. You can direct a post to Dr. Mason and or Dr. O'Neill or to the entire group. Please download the Remind app to your phone and then send this message. Now, you're going to download the app. You're going to send a regular text message in your phone to the address 81010, and you're going to text whatever message you see on the Blackboard shell. This happens to be the one for Spring 25, but there will be a different one every semester. What you want to do is sign up for this, because this actually hits on my phone. So if you need me and I'm not around, fastest way to get me is, because my phone's always in my hand. I'm sure yours is always in your hand too. If I'm awake, I can even answer things at night. If I'm at my other job, I will hold it and get to you as soon as I can. But your best bet is to always address requests to both Dr. Mason and I, so that we can make sure that one of us gets back to you quickly. Required course text is this Senamo. It's a great text to tie how to teach to the ISTE standards. That's why we like it. You have already paid for this text in your course fees. You can find them on the Bibliu link on the front of Blackboard. So if you have any problem with that, let us know and we'll help you walk through that. Every week, we think every week, there's going to be a video talking about the chapter. It's important that you note that it's only the highlights of the chapter, so you can't get by just on reading the just on watching the videos. In the videos, we're going to try to give you some examples of how you can apply what you've learned reading the chapter. Maybe some anecdotes into what we've done. And just to give you some helpful hints on how to meet that particular standard that we're talking about. That's pretty much it as an overview. I hope you have a great semester, and we'll talk to you soon. All right, take care.